Hello, and welcome to another tutorial for EventQuo. Today, we are going to dive into the Contacts tab. I'll start by showing you two different ways to add contacts to your system. We'll begin with a manual entry. I'm going to enter a contact that is already in my CSV database, which we will be uploading later. It's important to see what happens when the system encounters a duplicate contact during an import. As you can see, Marcus Holloway has been added to our list. Now, let's take it a step further and look at the process for a CSV import. Simply drag and drop your CSV file into the uploader. Now, map your columns to the corresponding database fields, like company, location, and lead source. I used specific names in my CSV, so I'm manually mapping them here to ensure everything aligns perfectly. You can also enter a custom lead source. For example, if these contacts came from a specific trade show, you can label them accordingly. Since I already have a source column in my file, I'll stick with the existing data for now. Next, you can create a tag. You might use Trade Show 2026 or Wedding Potentials. Generally, when importing a list, I tag it with Import and the current date. I've already created that tag, so I'll add it now and start the import. The system has flagged a duplicate email. You have the option to skip it or update the record. Since I didn't enter all of Marcus's data manually, I'll select Update. The import is complete. 9 records were added and 1 was updated. We now have 10 leads in the system. New leads are marked with an indicator. Once you open a lead and return to the list, that marker is removed. This is great for tracking new inquiries from your website. You can also select all leads and mark them as read simultaneously. Let's look at a specific contact. At any point, you can edit their details. For instance, I'll change this contact to a booked client and save. You can see the status has updated immediately. You can also email clients directly. At EventQuo, we aim to reduce costs by eliminating the need for third-party apps. While we don't use a two-way sync, we provide a simple way to send and log emails through your local client. I'll title this Test Email 1. You can use tokens to personalize the message, such as automatically inserting the client's first name. You can format the text, adjust spacing, or add hyperlinks. You can also attach files. Just remember that if you attach a file here, you'll need to reattach it once your email client opens to ensure it's sent. Before sending, I'll save this as a template named Email 1. I'll also apply a tag so I can track which clients have received this specific message. Now, I'll open the email client. The interaction is logged in the system immediately. The system automatically copies your formatted message and subject line to your clipboard. Just paste it into your email client. This ensures your formatting remains professional without any messy code appearing in the final email. The Contact tab also displays associated tasks and task flows. You can also manage client portal access here, which is usually done once a contact is linked to an active event. When a client logs into their portal, they can see their events, to-do lists, and shared forms. They can also view invoices and agreements. A great feature is the ability for clients to link a card on file for easy billing. Clients can pay invoices and view agreements all in one place. Once an event is active, they will also have access to a messaging system to communicate directly with their planner. Back in the admin panel, notice the color coding. When a lead moves to booked, their color changes. This provides a quick visual reference for the status of everyone in your system. You can customize your columns to show exactly what you need, such as location or lead source. This helps you identify which marketing efforts are performing best. I like to sort by creation date to keep the newest leads at the top. To keep this layout every time you log in, simply save your current view and set it as your default. You can also group contacts by type. If you only want to focus on leads, you can group them, select them all, and perform bulk actions like tagging or exporting. For mass emails, I'll use the Email 1 template. The system sends this via BCC, so recipients won't see each other's addresses. Click Send and Log to open your email client and paste the content. The mass email is now logged in every recipient's contact card. If you don't like the default colors, you can easily change them to match your branding. Go to Settings and then Types and Statuses. Here you can create custom statuses or change colors, like making leads green or booked clients purple. These changes update your contact table instantly. The Contacts module is a powerful tool for staying organized. If you have any questions, visit the Messages tab and click Support. You can also use the Feedback button to request new features. Thanks for watching.